What if we told you there's a place where snakes rule, or an island where you have to carry a gas mask all the time? Intrigued? Indeed, our planet is a tapestry of the bizarre and the extraordinary, woven together by nature's whims and human eccentricities. Today, we pull back the veil on the world less traveled, venturing into the realms of the strange and mysterious. So tighten your seatbelts and dust off your adventure hats. Get ready to embark on a journey to the 15 strangest islands on Earth. Welcome to Snake Island in Brazil, a place teeming with venomous snakes. Picture an island, not of sun-drenched beaches and swaying palm trees, but of slithering serpents and stealthy predators. This is Snake Island, a venomous paradise off the coast of Brazil. It's not the tropical getaway you might envision, but rather a place that thrills with danger at every turn. Why such an abundance of venomous snakes, you ask? Well, it's thought that rising sea levels isolated the island from the mainland, leaving the snakes to evolve independently over thousands of years. Today, it's estimated that there's one snake for every square meter of the island, making it one of the most densely populated snake habitats in the world. And these aren't just any snakes. They're golden lanceheads, a species of pit viper, and one of the most venomous snakes in the world. A paradise for the brave-hearted, Snake Island surely isn't for the faint-hearted. Next stop, North Sentinel Island in India, home to one of the last uncontacted tribes in the world. Tucked away in the Bay of Bengal, this island is shrouded in mystery and intrigue. The Sentinelese tribe that inhabits this land has remained virtually untouched by modern civilization. Their culture, language, and lifestyle are largely unknown to us, making them one of the most enigmatic societies on Earth. These guardians of the old world have fiercely resisted external contact with a clear message of wanting to be left alone. Their resilience and tenacity have allowed them to preserve their unique way of life in a world that's rapidly changing. This isolation has also kept them safe from common diseases, and they've managed to survive with primitive technology. But it's this very isolation that makes North Sentinel Island a forbidden land. It's a stark reminder that there are still places on Earth that remain beyond the reach of our curiosity. A land frozen in time, North Sentinel Island remains one of the world's greatest enigmas. From a bustling mining hub to an eerie ghost town, welcome to Hashima Island in Japan. Once upon a time, this island was a hive of activity, teeming with coal miners and their families. Its buildings, schools, and shops were abuzz with life. The island was a testament to man's industrial might, boasting the most densely populated place per square meter on Earth. But as the coal reserves dwindled, so did the island's fortune. By the late 1970s, Hashima was completely abandoned, left to the mercy of time and the elements. Today, it stands silent and deserted, its once thriving community reduced to a ghostly echo. The towering apartment blocks, now empty, stare out across the sea, while the wind whistles through the deserted streets. It's a chilling spectacle, a stark contrast to the island's bustling past. Hashima Island stands as a haunting reminder of a forgotten era. Now let's visit Ball's Pyramid in Australia, a place boasting a unique array of flora and fauna. Imagine a towering, narrow rock formation jutting out from the ocean, teeming with life that has found ways to adapt and thrive in such a peculiar environment. One such marvel is the rare Lord Howe Island stick insect, a species so unique it was thought to be extinct until a small population was discovered here. This insect, often called a land lobster due to its size, is a shining example of the island's distinctive biodiversity. It's a testament to the resilience of life, a creature that has clung to existence in one of the world's most isolated places. But it's not just about the stick insect. Ball's Pyramid is a sanctuary for various other species, each contributing to the intricate ecosystem of this extraordinary island. A testament to nature's tenacity, Ball's Pyramid is a unique wilderness unlike any other. Brace yourself as we step onto Poveglia in Italy, known as one of the most haunted islands in the world. A place where history and horror intertwine, this island whispers tales of its dark past. In the heart of Italy's scenic lagoon, Poveglia was once a quarantine station for the plague-stricken. The unfortunate souls who landed here were often left to meet their untimely demise, their spirits said to roam the island even today. Poveglia's reputation for haunting activities isn't just hearsay. Many visitors and locals have reported eerie occurrences, from unexplained noises to chilling apparitions. Some believe these strange happenings to be the echoes of the island's tragic history, while skeptics may dismiss it as simply the wind whistling through the decaying structures. As we peel back the layers of this mysterious island, we are faced with an unnerving question. Are these stories mere legends, or does Poveglia truly harbor restless spirits? Haunted or not, Poveglia surely sends a chill down anyone's spine. Welcome to the Izu Islands in Japan, where cats rule the roost. Imagine stepping off a boat onto an island where the purring and meowing of feral cats is the dominant soundtrack. Here, the feline population has grown to such an extent that they far outnumber their human counterparts. These feral cats are not just survivors, but have become a unique part of the island's identity. They roam freely, basking in the sun, darting through narrow alleyways, and even greeting visitors at the island's harbor. The human residents, who are few and far between, have found ways to coexist with these feline inhabitants, creating an unusual balance of life. The cats of Izu Islands have even sparked interest among animal researchers who are keen to understand how such a large population of feral cats interacts with a small human community. A paradise for cat lovers, the Izu Islands are a perfect example of feline dominance. Next, we venture to Socotra in Yemen, a place that looks like it's from another planet. This island, isolated in the Arabian Sea, boasts a unique biosphere teeming with strange and wondrous life forms. Picture this: trees that resemble giant mushrooms or umbrellas turned inside out, with trunks that store water in the arid conditions. These are the iconic dragon's blood trees, named for their red sap. Then there are the desert roses, bizarre plants with swollen trunks and branches that give them an almost sculptural appearance. The island is also home to a medley of endemic bird species, a testament to the rich biodiversity of this alien landscape. Socotra's uniqueness stems from millions of years of evolutionary isolation, resulting in a high number of endemic species. In fact, a third of its plant life is found nowhere else on Earth. A walk through Socotra is like a walk through an alien landscape on Earth. Now, let's journey through the remaining islands, each with its unique story and features. Firstly, we have Palmyra Atoll, an uninhabited island in the USA with a rich history. Once a military base during World War II, it now stands as a silent testament to the past. Imagine the stories it could tell. Next, we move on to Diego Garcia, a UK territory. This atoll in the Indian Ocean houses a controversial military base, a visible reminder of global geopolitics within the tranquil beauty of nature. Then there's Gunkanjima Island in Japan, also known as Battleship Island. This abandoned place was once a bustling coal mining community. Now it stands as a ghost town, a stark contrast to its former lively self. In the same country, we find Miyakojima, where residents carry gas masks due to the high levels of volcanic activity. It's a chilling example of how humans adapt to live under the constant shadow of nature's fury. Our voyage takes us next to Easter Island in Chile, known for its giant moai statues. These enigmatic stone figures are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a silent echo of an ancient civilization that once thrived here. We then visit Christmas Island in Australia, famous for its annual red crab migration. Millions of crabs move from the forest to the sea to breed, painting the island red in a spectacle of life that's truly awe-inspiring. Our next stop is Tristan da Cunha in the UK, considered the most remote inhabited island in the world. Here, a small community lives in isolation, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Finally, we land on Okunoshima, Japan, also known as Rabbit Island. This island is home to hundreds of friendly wild rabbits, an adorable sight that adds a touch of warmth to our journey. From military bases and ghost towns to unique wildlife and remote communities, these islands are a testament to the unseen worlds that exist on our planet. As our journey comes to an end, it's clear that our planet is full of surprises. From the venomous serpents of Snake Island to the uncontacted tribes of North Sentinel, and from the ghostly echoes of Hashima to the unique wilderness of Ball's Pyramid. Each island, steeped in its own peculiar lore and charm, tells a story that's as unique as its landscape. In the midst of the vast oceans, these 15 islands stand as a testament to the strange and wonderful diversity of our world.